On the 11th day of December 2023, at the 87th legislative sitting of the House, former Speaker Martins Amaewhule and the 24 former members defected from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC. By virtue of Section 1091 sub G and 2 of the Constitution, which are self-executing, and consequent upon their defection on the 13th day of December 2023, Right Honorable Edison Ogreyan-Ehie, DSS, RS, Esquire, PhD, as the then duly recognized Speaker of the 10th River State House of Assembly, by virtue of a court order granted by Honorable Justice Danagogo on the 12th day of December 2023, in suit number PHC/3030/CS/2023, and pursuant to Section 109 sub 2 of the 1999 Constitution, declared their seats vacant. Consequent to the above constitutional provision and the declaration of their seats vacant, the recognized 10th River State House of Assembly is the one led by Right Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo. Thus, the River State government has ceased paying any form of salaries, allowances, or statutory remunerations to the former members. The River State House of Assembly, which is the legitimate house under the leadership of Right Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, is the only one recognized by law and the River State government, and thus has been receiving all statutory allocations due to the River State House of Assembly and has been discharging its financial obligations by paying the salaries of the recognized honorable members of the House, their aides, and allowances of the public servants in the River State House of Assembly. Martins Amaewhule and the 24 ex-lawmakers hinged their resolutions on Section 122 of the 1999 Constitution. That section empowers the state governor to continue to make appropriation for 6 months from the budget of their previous fiscal year, where for any reason he is unable to present the appropriation bill to the House. May I remind the defected members that His Excellency Sir Simnialaye Fubarag, GSS RS, presented the 2024 appropriation bill to the River State House of Assembly under the leadership of the then Right Honorable Edison Ogreyan-Ehie, DSS RS, and it was duly passed on the 13th day of December 2023 and assented to on the 14th day of December 2023. This House awaits to receive from His Excellency the presentation of the medium-term expenditure framework for the next 3 financial years, pursuant to Section 10 of the River State Fiscal Responsibility Law, number 8 of 2010, in order to prepare for the 2025 fiscal year. The general public is therefore called upon to disregard and ignore those misguided former members and also discountenance their illegal actions. I once again call on the Independent National Electoral Commission to expedite preparations towards the conduct of by-elections to fill the vacant seats created by the River State House of Assembly by the defection of Martins Amaewhule and 24 others.